Hey, are you considering taking out a personal loan but are not sure where to start? What if I told you there's platform that use AI to approve loan faster and with less hassle than traditional lenders? Welcome to this in-depth Upstart Loan review. Hi everyone, I'm Ron and today we are diving into Upstart, a popular online lending platform that uses artificial intelligence to streamline the loan approval process. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, finance a home improvement project, or cover unexpected expenses, this video will help you decide if Upstart is the right choice for you or not. So, to qualify for Upstart loan, you must meet certain criteria. So, what is it? Basically, there should be a minimum FICO score, that is FICO, of 580 or higher. Through some exceptions apply. No bankruptcies on record with the the past 7 years, stable income and employment history, US citizenship or permanent residency. Even if your credit score isn't perfect, Upstart consider other factors like education and job stability, which can improve your chances of approval. So, understanding the cost involved in a crucial before committing to a loan. So you can come to this website and you can check your rate here. By the way, so let's say I want to take a loan of around, let's say 10,000. Now click on next, right? By the way, you can check loan of the less than 100K. Now there is a fixed APR range from 5.5% to 35.99% depending on your profile. Now what's the loan purpose? So let's say I want to take a home improvement, or let's say there's a vehicle purchase. Now let's go and click on next. Now what's your legal name? So I'll just write here Ron Ronwa. And here you can just add a suffix that is basically, I will add here something first here. Now click on next. Now you have to make an account. So let's say I will just go with the Google. You can use your normal email address here. Now let's select a normal Google account here. Now click on continue. Now what's your date of birth? So let's say I will just add here date of birth here. Now you have to select your address. Now it will ask you some question. Do you currently rent or own 200, whatever your residence is? So let's say I rent this property. Now let's go and click on next. Now here you have to enter your active current phone number, right? Now what's the highest level of education? So let's say I'll just write here. Now click on next. Now from which school you have gone. Now it will ask your income type. So let's say I'm employed salary, and you have to enter the address where you're working, or you have to select if you have any other source of income, you can set it. For example, let's say there's an independent contractor, so I have to go and select here. Now I can select here none, even though if I'm not working. Now how much do you have in saving? So let's say I have around 5,000. And what's the investment account? So let's say it's around 10,000, and click on next. Have you taken out any new loan in the past 3 months? No. So once you have entered all this information, just go and click on next. You have to agree and check it here. Now click on agree and check your rate. So I've already, by the way, those information was not correct. This was just to check out, right? Now here you have to check and agree your rate and you will get it, right? So loan amount between thousand and $1,000 to 50,000 with repayment term of 3 or 5 years. So you need to compare offers from multiple lenders to ensure you're getting the best rate of interest, and that for that is what Upstart is popular, right? One of the Upstart's standout feature, it is quick and easy application process, which I have shown you. Now it will check for offers, then I will get an option to choose offer, then I can submit request, verify sign and get funded. So it is really fast. Now the loan amount is $10,000. It started on 21st of May, and here I can go and explore the other loans if I want to. So that is pretty easy. Now you need to gather all the necessary documents like pay stubs and IDs beforehand to see speed up the process, right? But there are some of the pros and cons. For example, faster approval thanks to AI driven underwriting. There's a flexible eligibility criteria, transparent pricing with no payment penalties. What's the cons? So higher orientation fees compared to some competitors, limited loan amount, which is basically 50,000 or 75,000 max, not ideal for borrowers with poor credit or unstable income. So if you have a decent credit score and stable income, Upstart could save a lot of time and money compared to traditional bank. However, if you are financially struggling, you may not want to explore alternative options, right? Now, you just need to combine multiple debt into, if you have a debt, combine multiple debt into one manageable payment for at a lower rate of interest, right? And for example, there's a home improvement, let's say finance renovations without dipping into savings or relying on credit card. So this is where Upstart might be a good fit. For example, cover unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs quickly, improve your credit score by making consistent timely payments, right? Now, this is it. So, Upstart is a solid option for borrowers seeking fast, flexible loan with reasonable rates. Its AI-driven approach makes it stand out, especially for those with non-traditional credit profiles. So, if you have a stable income, decent credit score, and need funding quickly, Upstart is a worth considering. However, carefully review the fees and compare offers to ensure it's the best choice for your situation. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts on Upstart or answer any question. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.